Okay, rolling. Take one.
We are going to unbox.
I'm the director.
This cooks is what's this? Smart fryer oven.
It's an air fryer.
Air fryer.
Yeah, this was my birthday gift.
Birthday gift
that everybody gets to use. Nice.
It's like it's me who is excited, not you.
Oh, I'll be excited when you fix something in it.
Here you go.
I got it in black. They have every color in the rainbow.
Is that the one that folds up against the counter? No, it's not.
It's not?
Mm-mm.
I got that on QVC.
Oh, this is from QVC?
Where else would I get it?
Wow. We can air fry now dried fish. Joke.
Well, that's up to you. I mean, if you want to, if that's what you want to eat.
You should air fry it in the outside.
Oh yeah, it definitely stink up the house.
Let the number what smell. Maybe I don't know this.
Those are just trays. There you go.
Yeah.
Because it had different
There you go. Up one. There you go. Right there. There you go.
There you go. Oh wow.
I mean, who needs instructions, right?
Huh?
I said, who needs instructions, right?
I don't know. I never read instructions. Give me a picture and I'm fine.
How to remove this? What's the name of this? Cook's Essential CE. Oh wow. Oh, you're so smart, baby. How you do that?
Just came out.
And that's for
probably frying. You know, whatever you're gonna air fry. And then this is, there should be a tray.
tray.
It goes down here that you could remove.
This one tray.
No, these got holes on
Here,
this one.
here's
Yeah.
the tray.
Here's the tray. This is to catch, you know, whatever, right?
Yes.
So that would go in like so, see? And then you put your other stuff above it.
I thought it would be, I like the rotisserie because you get rotisserie and chicken.
See?
Churro. And this one, why there's a lot?
I have no idea.
Where's the instruction?
Yeah, you can put another one in here.
Oh, so you can fry a lot.
Yeah, look at that. Looky there. Looky there. You could fry like, you know, I think that's it. I think that's all the trays. So let's see, we've got a splatter guard. That's the one that's on the bottom.
And this one. And here, this one.
That's for the rotisserie.
Warning!
I really thought it was small.
Yeah, there's...
What?
It skewers it. It skewers it.
chicken.
It skewers it, you know. So you can hold chicken.
Oh yeah.
See? And you...
That's for the chicken.
Yeah, you loosen these. You can probably put fish on here or anything that you can skewer. Right?
Uh-oh. Huh.
And then you just tighten down the thing here. Like so. Oh, see, it's got an indentation on there too.
There's what?
See that little divot?
Yeah.
That's where this set screw goes. So you gotta make sure you turn it right, like that. Make sure, I'm just making sure I get it lined up. The set screw. There you go.
Okay. Other one.
And the other one. There you go. And then it would go inside here.
I'll remove this.
There we go. There.
There you go. That's for chicken.
Yeah, and if
Whatever you
you have
want.
your chicken on there, right?
And then you will use that accessory too.
Yeah, so let's say your chicken's on there, right?
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah. That's nice.
Nice, 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 nice.
We're using the air fryer for the first time. So, I'm putting the chicken on the trays.
Oh, you're talking there.
And this is our inaugural run. So, I don't know how this is going to come out. Lil's leaving this up to me. Okay, got the chicken in there. Shut the door. Turn the power on. And adjust the temperature to 380.
Well, you can see.
And then the timer. What do they say? What? 30 minutes?
30 minutes, yeah.
And this is a Cook's Essential deep fryer. Okay. And we just hit the power. And there it goes. You hear the fan starting up.
Oh, yeah. This is the fried what you call this, baby?
Air fried.
Air fried chicken. Yummy.